If you've ever looked into creating professional product advertisements for your business, you'll know they can cost hundreds or even thousands of pounds. Between hiring a videographer, renting a studio, finding models, editing the footage, and creating multiple versions for social media, the costs add up very quickly. But what if you could create stunning, high-quality product adverts in just a few minutes using AI, just like this?
Hey guys! Everyone's been asking about my morning glow routine. Honestly, it all comes down to this one step I never skip, the Dove beauty routine. It's so creamy and leaves my skin feeling insanely soft all day.
In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create professional-looking product advertisements using Flova AI. What makes Flova different is that you're not just generating a video, you can actually have a conversation with the AI. You simply tell it what you want, ask it to make changes, adjust scenes, or change the style, and it continues refining your advert until you're happy with the final result. It also comes with a skills library, making it even easier to create polished professional videos without needing any editing experience. So whether you're a small business owner, content creator, or someone selling products online, this tool can save you both time and money. Let's dive in and create our first AI product advert.
So guys, to get started, this is the image of the product we are going to create an advert on. And then next we head on over to Flova AI. So this is how Flova AI looks like. This is how the homepage looks like. You can see it's already showing you popular skills that you can actually use to get started. But we're going to be doing everything from scratch just so you see how efficient this particular tool is. It's just like basically chatting with AI, and AI is doing everything while having a conversation with you. That is how Flova works. So basically we're going to come over here where you can say ask Flova AI to create and then I'm going to just click on this plus button. You can see it's asking me if I want to input a text, a video, audio, or image. I'm going to click on image. That way it's going to take me to my gallery where I can select the image of my product and then add it onto Flova. Now, all I need to do is to then tell it what next I want to do. So I'm just going to briefly tell it I want to create a product advertisement with this particular attached product. So guys, I told it I want to create a UGC style product advert for the attached Dove product. I want to use beautiful black models, ultra realistic shots with dialogue, music, and seamless transitions. So this is basically like just talking to it, giving it basics of what I need to do. And then over here you can see models. If you already know the model you want to use, you can pick model here, or you can just allow it to ask you which model you want to use. You can also use skill. These are different products, commercials, or different project that people have already done before that you can use the exact same workflow to actually do yours. We are going to be looking at that later in the video. So I'm just going to click on generate, and then I'll wait for it to load up the interface. You can see over here on the right hand side is already asking me what it's going to do and telling me step by step what it is going to do. So this is basically just like chatting with AI. So you can see it's asking which format of the Dove UGC advert should be used. So because of the general things that are accessible in public right now, I'm going to be going for the 9:16 UGC style Dove advert, and then I'm going to click on next, and then it's going to just ask me other stuff. So you can see it's asking me, do I want a 15-second punchy ad, a 30-second story-led ad, or 45-second testimonial ad? So because I want to test the limit, I'm going to do the 45-second testimonial ad, and then I'm going to send, just so I show you guys how good this particular tool is. If you're into storytelling, you're into UGC advert, you're into any kind of content creation, this platform makes it so much easier. Instead of going to other tools to get your prompts and other things, you can do everything on here. So you can see it's telling me what it's done already. It's already done the video spec. So this is the video spec. It's giving you so that you can look into it, and then if you are okay with it, you can tell it all right. If you are not, then you tell it what you want it to change. I'm okay with it, so I'm just going to tell it to proceed, and then I'm going to prompt. You can see under here, if you still want to add more text, more video, more audio, more image, you can actually do it. So now that I've told it to proceed, it is going ahead to create my storyboard. So can you see, guys, you don't have to do anything. AI is going to do everything for you on Flova AI. So let's just wait for the storyboard to create, and then we have a look at that. So basically, every step it takes, each step it does, you're going to be reviewing in case you want to change anything. So it doesn't just do everything blindly and then just gives it to you. It does it step by step and then gives it to you, so you are able to review each stage of the video creation, edit it as you go, and change anything you don't like. So you can see it's already doing the storyboard and is already showcasing itself over here. If you want to edit anything, just come to the right hand side and then you can edit it. So this is so nice, guys. Basically chatting with AI through everything that it's doing. So once you go through your storyboard, you've checked everything and you are okay, then you can just tell it something like approved, or just give it anything you want to correct, and then you proceed. So we're just going to proceed and see what next. So guys, you can see it went ahead to create the media asset, did everything. You can see the elements of the model, the background, everything we're going to need for a complete video. Now that it's done, I like what I see, so I'm just going to go ahead and tell it approved, so it can go on with the creation. So you can see basically, if I don't like anything, I can simply tell it what I don't like and it's going to change it. So let's just wait for it to proceed and start creating the visuals. So guys, you can see it's already started generating the shots for each and every part of the video. You can see we have the introduction, application, result, and everything. So once everything is done together, it is then going to edit itself, and then we're going to have a full-blown UGC advert for that Dove cream. So let's just wait, and then I'll show you the next thing it does. So guys, it has generated all our shots for us over here. As you can see, you can click on each one and see it's you. Then you can decide if you want it to change anything or if you want to just continue. So I think I like everything, so I'm just going to go ahead and tell it approved, so it can paste everything together. Just you can see it says once it's approved, it will create a testimonial, narration, and lifestyle music. So I'm just going to say approved, and then we're going to wait for it to continue. So guys, it has finished all the background music and everything we needed. I'm just going to go ahead and approve that, and then it's going to assemble all the cuts and then add it to the timeline where you can edit it and do other stuff to it. So let's wait for it to add it to the timeline. As you can see, it's updating the timeline. So guys, voila, everything is done and everything is now on the timeline. So I'm just going to play this and then you can watch. So guys, everything is now on the timeline. I'm just going to play this so you can see what we have.
Hey guys, everyone's been asking about my morning glow routine. Honestly, it all comes down to this one step I never skip. The Dove beauty routine. It's so creamy and leaves my skin feeling insanely soft all day. You literally just apply a little bit and it absorbs beautifully. No heavy residue, just pure hydration. I've tried so many things, but nothing gives me that effortless radiance quite like this. If you want that healthy, luminous skin, you need to add this to your lineup immediately. Trust me on this one.
Isn't this so good, guys? So that is the full video, and when you're done, just go to your top right hand corner, click on export, and then click on video, and there you have it, all done in minutes, simply from an idea and an image of my product to chatting with Flova AI, and everything got done. This is so good. Currently, this is my favorite tool to use. So let me go ahead and show you guys the skills library as well. So we're back to the home page, and I'm just going to come to my left hand side and I'll click on skills. This is the skill library, guys. So potentially any video you see here, you can actually try to replicate the workflow to actually create something similar for your brand. So something like this is a full product commercial video. This is a narration video. This is script. So basically anything you see on here, you can potentially make it into a particular advert for your own product video. So I'm just going to click on this, and then all I need to do is I can click on use skill, and then once you click on use skill, I can then upload maybe the image of my own product. So I'm just going to use a particular perfume image that I used. So I'm just going to use this, and then I'm going to upload the perfume ref on here, and then I'm just going to tell you to use the skills that I just picked to create the advert for me. So you can see I just told you to use the same workflow as the selected skill for my product commercial, and then I clicked on generate. So it's now going to open the space for the chat again, so I can actually be seeing what it's doing and potentially ask it questions, and it can ask me questions as well. So it's asking me which direction I want to go. So we're going to go with the luxury advert style, and then we're just going to go ahead and send. So guys, our video spec is ready. It's going to show us how it's going to go to, and then I'm just going to tell it to proceed. So basically this saves you much more time than explaining, since you already gave you something similar that you wanted to create for you. So just like the first one, it's going to create the storyboard, create the clips and everything, and then you keep on prompting. So I'm just going to allow it to do what it's going to do, and I'm going to show you the final result. So guys, the whole video is done generating. Let's look at our commercial product advert. This is so good, guys. You can see 15 seconds, nice and easy. So that is how to create your commercial video using Flova AI.
If you're creating content for your own business or for clients, Flova AI can seriously simplify your workflow. New Flova AI users can sign up and receive 100 credits immediately and earn 200 credits for every new user they successfully refer. Instead of spending days creating a product commercial, you can generate, edit, and refine everything through a simple conversation with AI. If you'd like to try Flova AI for yourself, I've left a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.